it's very difficult to understand. Many of the times when read the literature of Ramana Maharshi, he says you are everywhere, you are everything, but we don't have a feeling of that. He says you take the reference of body or the thought, and then you become. So this process of becoming, or the darkness turning into half light or light, and you also tell that you should empty yourself, then Shunyata, then you will be expanded. So it takes time and it needs lot of awareness. Even yesterday, I was listening to the JKrishnamurti, one of the lecture by Alan Watts. Both are friends. He was telling, like, just like a soldier, he don't know where he's going to get the hit of the knife. Like that, mind has very mysterious ways, and it needs high energy level to be aware. Not so easy. Can you explain this?
See, you can visualize that if there are two solids are there, they cannot merge with each other. If those two liquids are there, they can merge with each other. But if those two gases are there, they can very frequently merge and they can expand it also. So emptiness can be created when you become a liquid like steam, sorry, is a gas like. You should become like a gas. You can become like a steam. Then only you can expand it. Then only it can be merged. And to become a steam like, steam can move in any place. I mean, even if there is a some some space is there, this steam or gas can go, but the solid cannot go. And even liquid cannot go up. Liquid has to move down only. So that's the reason they say you increase your energy so that you become like a steam. When you become like a steam, then for the moment there for you there will not be any problem to go anywhere you like. So to become like a steam, you have to make yourself very light. You have to make yourself very light and you have to create a vacuum so that the steam can move also. So question is finally again they come to the same level that you have to keep yourself silence. If you are always disturbed, then the what you have generated it cannot move. Only in silence the thing can move when there is no disturbances. Say for example, there is a water flowing is there. You can see the bottom. But if you disturb the water, you cannot see the bottom itself. It will be all dirt and so many things will be there. So firstly, you have to keep yourself silence. Then you have to make yourself like a gas. That your your thinking, your thoughts should be like a vapor, so they can move and travel everywhere in the ether. Then only you can be able to visualize it. So that is all possible when you create a certain level of purity in yourself, purity in your thoughts and thinkings, and stability of the mind so that the things can move. And automatically you'll find some benefit of the other by all these processes. The complexity with all subjective sciences that it cannot be demonstrated. It can be self felt, and there is no words to it can be explained. Words you can explain when you are doing some experiment with the physicality. You can see, you can take test tube, you can put this thing there and you can see. But here you are yourself is everything. So you know what's happening with you, but you cannot see what's happening with it. You can visualize it. You cannot, that's the reason you cannot explain very well to the others. When others become of their own subject and try to visualize their subject very deeply, then they will feel that what he was telling is right. That is what it is.